Being back here to witness the completion of YA-43 is a joy. It may just be another one of many homes built in this world, but the chance to be part of the process was a pivotal moment for me. I hope everyone who was involved feels similarly.
I am so proud of our students in the Construction Trade Foundation and the partnership that we had. This is an example of how education has to turn into the experiences that then turn into career that prepare them for the future after graduation. So I could not be more proud of the work that they have done in creating House Number 43.
I'm a plumber.
I'm a carpenter.
I am an HVAC installer.
I'm an electrician.
This part right here needs to be about right here.
This is the 43rd student-built house here in Montgomery County, and I've been working on it for 2 years now.
I have learned how to do siding. I have learned how to do trim.
I installed the HVAC unit in the basement and in the attic. I've practically installed the outdoor unit too.
Can you please open the disconnector? Okay.
We put the range cord on.
I really learned a lot about like communication, working together. Just, you can't do the whole project by yourself. You gotta have a whole team to do it.
That's good, that's good. That's all good.
I came in blindfolded, no knowledge about HVAC whatsoever, but now that I know the basics of it at least, I want to further pursue a career in HVAC and go to college and get a degree in mechanical engineering.
I want y'all to take a picture of it and see how this is ran tonight. It's easy homework assignment.
It's given me a lot of pride. I feel really good about myself and my peers around me. They've done a lot of good work, and I'm just very proud of everything going on, and I'm gonna be sad to see it go.